Let's go over a few key sanitation concepts for your Florida Barber Exam. And these three sanitation steps will help you pass your exam. Now the first step is to clean, and that's the removal of any debris, dust, hair, or anything on the surface. And we would clean that by using soap and water, okay? And that would be the first step that you take before you disinfect. Now the second step would be to disinfect. Now in order to disinfect, you would need to use a hospital grade disinfectant, which would be an EPA approved disinfectant. And an example of that would be barbicide, okay? Now barbicide, when mixed properly, you would submerge your tools inside of the barbershop for no longer than 10 minutes, which is normally the manufacturer requirement in order to disinfect your tools. Also, you can use barbicide to clean surfaces that are non-porous. And the third step would be to sterilize your tools or product. Now, after sterilizing, you would actually remove all microorganisms on the tool or the surface that you're sterilizing. Those are a few tips that can help you pass your Florida Barber Exam. Thanks for watching.